This is the Aion Boardroom Recovery Vest. This is a really great vest. I'm very pleased with it. I picked this up a little over a week ago, and it's phenomenal. The materials are made really nice. It weighs 5.5 pounds, so it adds a little resistance to you, and it's great. It's made out of this faux suede material here, and it's got this diamond print at the top. Stainless steel weights inside. It's got some really good pockets. My concern was going to be with the zipper, since it is a compressed vest. It has got a tailored fit, so I just wanted to make sure that the zipper was going to hold up. But this company did a phenomenal job. They didn't like cut any corners with this vest. It's like I said, it's great. Very pleased with it. Picked this up. I just use it for just errands and things like that. Maybe wear it to work. Maybe wear it, throughout the day. For workouts, I have another vest. I use a 30-pound vest. So this one is this is just for basically, like they call it, the boardroom recovery vest. You're not going to want to get this for like high intense workouts. This is more like a stylish out on the town vest like that. When you wear this in public, you will get a lot of compliments. You get a lot of people asking about it because it's got a really nice look to it. And it is people are going to be asking you when you wear this out in public. So it is going to draw some attention because it is a very fancy vest, and it is very unique. I picked this one. It's all black. It does come in a different color, like a gray diamond print, and I just wanted the all black one. They give you a user manual here. Tells you how to care for the vest, how to clean it, how to break it in, things like that. But this company, it's, like I said, it's phenomenal. It's just very nice quality, high quality items here. And it's got two pockets here, one on each side. It's got two pockets on the inside if you're looking to put like a phone or something in there, but it has a great fit. This is an extra large. I wear an extra large in my Oxford shirts, t-shirts, and things like that. So it's true to size. It fits really good. It does have like a tailored compressed fit, so it's not tight, but it is just like it's a secure fit. It's definitely like it's not gonna, you don't want it loose. It has a nice compressed fit to it. But overall, I'm very pleased with this. It's the Aion Boardroom Recovery Vest. Highly recommend checking it out.